requirement of our standing orders, please allow me to read the names of the members who have signed in support of this motion.
Order.
Mr. Speaker,
go ahead.
Mr. Speaker, for purposes of completeness of the record, the standing orders require that the mover of the motion does read all the names of the members who are in support of the motion for openness. And I therefore read the name of the patriots, borrowing from Senior Peter Kaluma. Mr. Speaker, I began with myself. The Honorable Ekomas Mwengi Mutuse, yours truly. The Honorable Owen Baya. The Honorable Japheth Nyakundi. Matthias Robi. Kimani Ishungwa. Member for Kikuyu and Majority Leader. Abdul Rahim Daoud. Patrick Munene Dwega. Eric Wamombi, the member for Madera. George Kariuki. Kili Daniel Karido. Dorothy Mudhoni Ikiara. Mwangi Kiunjuri. Boro Ambore. Elizabeth Kairemia. Edwin Mugo Gishoke. Rindikiri Mugambi. Jane Kagiri. Anne Murada. John Paul Murigi. Gikaria David. John Kirago. Mary Mainge. Alice Nganga. Wambugo Wainaina. Mashua Waidaka. Kuria Kimani. George Kitonga Murugara. Simon Nganga Kingara. John Kiaria Wainaina. Shadrach Mwiti. Honorable Joseph Wainaina, nominated. Betty Maina. Geoffrey Kiringa Waroko. Roko. Gigi Kagombe. Julius Taitumu. Duncan Maina Madenge. Kwenya Dhoko. John Juguna Wanjiko. John Kanyuithia Mutunga. Honorable Junet Mohamed, the leader of minority. Honorable Mohamed Abdikadir. Honorable Yakub Ado. Honorable Richard Ken Chonga. Honorable Ali Wario. Honorable Ruwaida Obo. Honorable Hamisi Chome Abdi. Abdikadir Mohamed. Zamzam Mohamed. Rashid Benzimba. Said Buya. Peter Shake. Peter Masara. Mishi Juma Mboko. Joyce Osogo Bensuda. Fatuma Masito. Mohamed Machele. Aduma Owor. Jerusha Momanyi. Honorable Dr. Professor Gogo Lilian. Millie Odhiambo, the one and only. Honorable Irene Mayaka, my sister. Honorable Dick Maungu. Honorable Joshua Oron. Honorable Owino. Walter Owino. Honorable Patrick Osero. Honorable Molfason Barongo. Mark Ogola Nyamita. Tom Ondege. Gisairo Ombane. Oku Kaunya. Rosa Mbuyu. Charles Were. Fatuma Mohamed. Paul Abuor. Badu Twalib. Dr. Charles Ochieng. Caleb Amisi Luyai. Elisha Odhiambo. Farah Alim. Elijah Memusi Kanchori. Kakuta Maimai Hamisi. Aden Daud Mohamed. Honorable Honorable Wanjala. Honorable Peter Orero. Honorable Martin Peters Owino. Honorable George Peter Kaluma. Honorable TJ Kajuang. Chiforomondo Mwangale. Honorable Donya Doris. Stephen Mogaka. Felix Odiwar. Geoffrey Odanga, Honorable Tim Wanyonyi, Honorable Christine Ombaka, Honorable Hussein Weitan, Honorable George Aladwa, Joseph Oyula, John Bwire, Omar Mwinyi, Catherine Omanyo, Danson Mwashako of Wiper Party, Innocent Mugabe, Charles Nguna, Mwingi West of Wiper Party, Honorable Elsie Muhanda, Honorable J.L. Sunguli of Kilgoris, Honorable Udgun Siad, Honorable Dr. John Ariko, Honorable Tindi Mwale, Otiende Amolo Senior Counsel. Mr. Speaker, the House takes notice that Honorable Otiende Amolo is one of the makers of the Constitution that we are implementing. Honorable Christopher Aseka, Honorable Paul Ekwon Nabuin, Honorable Nicholas Gikor of Turkana East, Honorable Yusuf Mohammed, Honorable Abdgadir Hussein Mohammed, James Koyo, Sarah Paulata Korere, Honorable Umker Arun Mohammed, Honorable John Nikal.
James.
Yes, my sincere apologies. For the correctness of the record, this is Honorable Dr. Professor James Nikal, the member for Seme. Honorable Daniel Manduku, Honorable Mohamed Ado, Honorable Wario Guyo, Honorable Paul Katana, Maurice Kakai Bisau, Emmanuel Wangwe, Bernard Shinyali, my friend Nabi Nabwera, Patrick Makau Kingola of the Wiper Party, Mavoko constituency, and Commissioner of the Public Parliamentary Service Commission, very able, voted by members of this House. I thank you in a special way, my senior brother. Honorable Shakil Shabil Hamed, Honorable Aden Kainan, Honorable Dr. Aden Kainan, Honorable Fatuma Jeho, Honorable Amina Munyazi Laura, Honorable Gertrude Mbeyo, Honorable Adipo Akwome. Mr. Speaker, if you allow me, I can have a sip of my water.
Go ahead.
Number 134. Number 134, Abdi Omar Shurie, the chairman of the Committee of this House on Public Debt. Honorable Tom Oluoch, the member for Dagoretti Beatrice Elachi. Honorable Samuel Arama, Honorable Guyo Jaldesa Professor, Honorable Anton Kibagedi, my brother, Honorable Samuel Atandi, my brother, Honorable Ruth Busia, Honorable Ruth Odinga Busia, the women rep for Kisumu County, Honorable Eve Obara, Honorable Johnson Manya Naika of Mumias East, Kipyegon Johanna, Omboko Milemba, Marwa Maisori, Moses Kirima, Lydia Aiga Mizigi, Adan Aji Yusuf, Mumina Bonaya, Charles Gimose, Mohamed Tubi, Zahir Janda, Clemens Lawyer, Zuleka Hulbal Arun, Lekumontare Jackson, member for Samburu East, Anton Kenga mpe, ukimwona mpe. Bashir Abdullahi, Didmas Barasa, Malulu Injendi, Geoffrey Mulanya, Frederick Ikana. Mr. Speaker, for completeness of the record, there are names that I have cancelled and I have signed against the cancellation. Honorable Titus Amala, Joseph Dena, Honorable Kivai Kagesi, Honorable Vincent Musyoka aka Kawaya, member for Mwala, Honorable Fabian Muli, Honorable Caleb Mule, Honorable Joshua Mwalio, Honorable Dr. Recho Nyamai Kaki, Honorable Nimrod Mbai aka KPLC, Honorable Dido Raso, Honorable Lekuton of Laisamis, Honorable Chief Whip Silvanos Osoro, Honorable Abdisarat K. Ali, Honorable Abdul Haro, Honorable Mary Emase, Irene Joki, Nebat Muriuki, George Gachagua, Stephen Karani, Gidhua wa Masukuru, Rahabu Mukami Washira, Joroge Wainaina, Elijah Njoroge Kururia, Epuyu Nanok Daniel, Mudhoni Marubu Monica, Kenneth Tungulu, Mudhama Stanley, Joseph Emanthe Namur, Faith Gitau, Cecilia Asieni Ngitit, Pamela Njoki Njeru, Rahab Robert Basil, the member for Yatta and Wiper Party. Protas Akuja, Kasim Sawa Tandaza, Pauline Lengimis, Honorable Dr. Robert Pukose, Honorable George Sunguia, Honorable Joash Nyamoko, Kitlai Olentutu, Lea Sankaire, Lemankon Aramat, Agnes Pareño, Gabriel Tongoyo, Rebecca Tongei, Catherine Wambilinya, John Makali of Kandui, John